The town of Bandipur is a little jewel often overlooked by the tourist visiting Nepal. Bandipur still provides that rare glimpse of being discovered for the first time. A little underrated but a mass in beauty. There is not much that you can do in this beautiful and offbeat town of Nepal. And you shouldn't either, except relaxing in the pristine beauty of Bandipur. But in case you want to explore this cute little Newari town of Nepal, here is my ultimate travel guide to explore Bandipur of Nepal. Please hit that subscribe button to stay connected. Roughly a 2 hours drive from Pokhara will take you to Bandipur. And what I absolutely loved about this Newari town of Nepal is that they do not allow any vehicle to come inside the town. They needed to be parked a kilometer away from where you would need to walk to reach the main town of Bandipur. I guess that is the reason why the air of Bandipur smells so pure with negligible pollution level, which is very unlike the other main towns of Nepal. While walking through Bandipur, you cannot ignore the red brick mansions and courtyards, which clearly lends an idea of what this ancient Newari town of Nepal would have looked like in the older times, before it was converted into a tourist destination. Honestly, I felt that these buildings actually give an impression of European architecture, which is very unlike of the other architecture which you generally spot in Nepal. But these buildings are now renovated and converted into guest houses and hotels in Bandipur for the tourists who would want to break their journey between Kathmandu city of Nepal and Pokhara. I stayed at the Old Inn Bandipur, which is a restored Newari house, ensuring that everyone gets to experience the traditional vibes of Bandipur along with the stunning views of mountains on a clear day. So here are the top things that you can do in Bandipur, but before that, do subscribe to the channel to remain connected. A slight uphill walk of 10 minutes from the town of Bandipur will lead you to the Kagra Devi temple, which enshrines the sword of their king. It is said that this sword was gifted to the king by the Lord Shiva and therefore it signifies the Shakti. It is said that whosoever will touch or see this sword will die, the reason that it is kept covered. A further uphill hike from the Kagra Devi temple will reveal a cave which is believed to be the meditation ground for many saints and a monastery which is still under construction. Teendhara, which translates to the 3 taps, is the washing and bathing area for the locals. Teendhara at Bandipur was a natural water source body which was used by the Newari traders during their settlement at this town of Nepal. Do look out for these carved figures on the wall, which clearly signifies that this place was restored as it is. A hike of about 2 hours from the town of Bandipur will take you to this open air field from where you can see the views of some of the highest ranges of Nepal on a clear day and the adjoining valleys. A walk inside the town of Bandipur has got few local temples as well. But what I absolutely cherish the most about Bandipur of Nepal is those fun talks with the locals who are more than happy to welcome you. Tell me in the comment section below if you are planning to go to Bandipur, and subscribe to the channel for more travel and wellness videos.